so got our downpipe here. What are we doing? Well, 3/8 bolts, 4 inches in length. Time to do some cross bolts. So this is the best line that I could pick on my downpipe where it was the most straight. So that is roughly to the center where I'm going to start drilling to the flange, about 3 3/4. So roughly we're going to go ahead and drill this. Then we're going to run the bolts, and with any luck I have right length bolts. Then we're going to weld them into place. So enjoy. I'm going to use this 1-inch masking tape right here to kind of give me an area that is still pretty straight, but it'll give me spacing and all that. So I'm going to basically drill one bolt on one side of the tape, and then in the back side of the tape will be the other bolt that's going to cross through. So hopefully they kind of don't have to worry about impact and none of that shit. So let's get started. Alright, so finished product so far on this one side. Looks just like that. Gotta clean it up, make sure we blow all that out, even though the exhaust will blow it out, but let's get the other side done. Alright, so it's not perfect, but it will work. It's gotta weld it up a little bit, but there you guys go. Cross bolts. Boom. So we're just going to go ahead and run some tacks pretty much around the heads, the nut and the bolt, and seal it up a little bit, and let's hope it doesn't leak. So yeah, there you guys go. Boom. Now we're safe, just in case the old S362 decides to want to exit. Alright, let's go ahead and make a mess. Alright guys, so there's your finished product. High quality booger welding at its best out here, boys. There you go. Some of these didn't turn out that bad, like, you know, some of them don't look like complete dog shit, but you know what? Work, minimize any sort of exhaust leak, and still hold those bolts in place in case that turbo decides to check out. So we're going to finish off there, guys. Do what you always do. Like, share, subscribe, P-Pump the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.